down. Go down 5. Hot. Just push it like that. But all you're doing is coming right below that rod and back. 3.5. Away from Odessa. Good for you. Get out of there, get out of there. What's happening? Let's just go to the mud though.
Honestly, I felt that the experience was really good as a whole. They keep it really small size, only four or five guys here. I was very satisfied with the services. the guys were all together and coordinated, and Wally was moving around helping everybody out, and any question we had he was there to answer. I think it was definitely worth the money, definitely worth traveling. The value that I find in this is just I never had somebody to teach me this kind of stuff, pipeline work or even oil field work at all. Confidence level coming into this was absolutely zero. I had no experience in this. Coming out of this, I feel very confident in being able to continue practicing this and knowing everything I need to develop. I definitely say I'm way more ready now than when I first came in this morning. Wally's Welding World.
Nothing I can think of for your company to do better was everything I thought of, and then even more. It was totally unexpected of what this all was gonna be. So nothing else. Say 10 out of 10. 100%. Very satisfied. All your experience and your knowledge that you've learned, I couldn't have, there's no way I would have picked up on what I'd done today if it weren't for you telling me what you've all done. Your belief in God was my number one thing. And then YouTube and seeing all your experience and everything else. Absolutely, I got what I was coming for. I got that and then some. I know they're doing the 12-inch branch right now, but I want to just keep the 16-inch in my head and understand those 3 rods and the amperages and when your heat control and everything.
Honestly, everything you did for me today was just fine and dandy. You know, like, I came in thinking I knew stuff, but I walked out with a whole new, I guess, way of thinking. I was very satisfied, totally worth the drive down here. Really, I regret nothing about this whole experience. It was an eye-opener because, like I said, I thought I was okay, but I realized that there's a lot for me to improve upon. What you provide is, yeah, sure, it's kind of expensive to get going, but you know, it's worth it because you're such a knowledgeable guy, and if you have to, you dumb it down for somebody. I chose you because A, you were close and convenient. B, I had some extra money laying around, and I like the work that you put on Instagram. Everything looks real good, so I figured, why not come learn from one of the best in the business? Well, I got what I was coming for and then some. I'm walking away a lot wiser, a lot smarter, more knowledgeable about what that puddle is doing and what I need to do to fix it. Appreciate the opportunity. It was great. Yeah, it was just a good time. I really enjoyed it. Got to meet some really cool people, and yeah, I look forward to seeing you again.